Hey guys, it's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be trying the Aztec clay mask for the first time and using it on my natural hair to see exactly how it affects my curls and if it will actually help to detoxify and get rid of all the buildup. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the mask, I'll be using the apple cider vinegar and also my Aztec Indian healing clay mask. You can also mix it with water as well, but I wanted to see exactly how the apple cider vinegar works, so that's what I'm using. And I just went ahead and put 4 scoops of the Aztec clay into my bowl. Honestly, it wasn't enough, so I did go in and add a few more scoops later on, but it was my first time doing it, so I wasn't exactly sure how much to put, but I learned. I definitely needed more. And then I went ahead and just kind of eyeballed to see exactly how much apple cider vinegar I wanted to add. I just made sure the mixture wasn't too watery or wasn't too thick, so that way it glides on my hair properly and doesn't just slide off and get super messy. So I continued to mix the apple cider vinegar and the clay together until I got the right mixture, and now I'm moving on to my hair and applying it to my hair. As you guys can see, I have a ton of buildup, so that's the main reason why I'm doing it. I have so much buildup in my hair, it's ridiculous. So this is just how my hair looks right now. Lots of buildup. My hair feels really dull, very dry, and I just need to revitalize it and detoxify my curls. Applying the mask to my hair was actually really easy and it didn't take much time at all. I just went ahead and sectioned off like small sections of hair and applied the mask that way because I was able to really apply the mask to every single strand, every single curl, and that way I knew my hair would be rid of all the dirt, the grime, the buildup, and every single curl would hopefully come back to life. As you guys saw, I did go ahead and spray my small section of hair with some water. It's not soaking wet or anything, but it is kind of damp, so that way it makes it much easier to apply and spread the mask all over my hair. If it was super dry, it'd be really hard and I didn't have time to deal with all that. So I figured just spraying my hair with a little bit of water would help make the process go a little bit easier. So yeah, I just did that and I applied the mask, and here I am just kind of raking the product through and smoothing it on each and every curl. I'm also kind of finger detangling because I want to make sure that my entire head of hair is coated, and I feel like I can do that much better when my hair is detangled. So this is how my curls are popping, y'all. Like, can y'all see how well my curls are popping with just a clay mask? Like, come on, it is ridiculous. I would have to have tons of like creams and gels on my hair for it to look like this, but with just a mask, that's pretty good. So I was already surprised and pleased with how my hair looked that way, but you guys will see later on how my curls really started to just come to life after I rinsed it out. So I just let the clay mask sit on my hair for about 30 minutes or so, and now I am just gonna rinse it all out. It actually wasn't that complicated to rinse it out. I was expecting for it to be really hard, but rinsing it out wasn't too terrible. I will say though that getting to the roots was like the hardest part, making sure that the clay was not still stuck to my scalp and my roots. That was the part that took the longest. But as far as rinsing it out of my hair, that was pretty easy, and it took about 10 minutes total to rinse everything out. So I was happy with how it wasn't too hard to get it all out my hair, and the results, you guys can already see in the shower how my curls have like magically clumped together, which never ever happens. My curls never clump together in the shower. I wish they did, but they never do, and I was just so surprised. Like, my curls are so springy, so clumped together, and you guys will see in a second my initial reaction, but I was just blown away by how defined my curls felt just in the shower. There was no frizz at all, just springy, defined, and just really healthy, juicy curls. So yeah, I was very happy with how my curls look, and this is without even conditioning my hair. I just rinsed the clay out. I didn't actually go in and condition just yet. So this is fresh out the shower, fresh curls, and you guys can see for yourself exactly how the Aztec clay mask transformed my curls. And these are my curls after I conditioned my hair. There's a shrinkage, so that goes to show you just how moisturized my curls truly feel. Y'all, I will probably be doing this at least once a month from now on because I have been struggling with getting my curls to pop, and this is probably the best thing that has ever happened to my curls. So I am definitely hooked. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.